Hey, what's up everyone? I'm out here at Marina Del Rey. We're gonna see what we could catch. I'm pretty sure a spotted bay bass. I'm fishing these docks right here. It's just me by myself. We're gonna see what I could do by myself, but I think I'm gonna do good. I think today's gonna be a good day. It's been hot this whole week, so let's see what I could do. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Just came right here to this new Marina Del Rey spot. Caught this little guy right here. It's my first one. I just barely threw it in too. Check it out. Light. Ooh. Dang, that was my second cast, so I think it's gonna be on, you guys. Let's see what happens. Another one, you guys. Check it out. Nice little spotties. Second one. Just hitting these spots right here. Put it down. That easy, you guys. Sick, dude. This is sick fishing. Third one. Third one. Stop flapping, dude. Stop flapping. Check it out. Let's get 2 more, baby. There it goes. People said they weren't fishing here. The locals. Oh, I think there's fishing here, you guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Check that out. Check that out. Another one. They're all the same size, but still good. Yeah. Caught it. Caught another one. My 5th one. Caught a little limit now. Same spot. Ooh, this guy doesn't want to open his mouth. Open your mouth now. Ooh, he's mean. Little guy, crazy little guy. Dang. Flip him. Oh. The goal is to get 5. Got 5, you guys. Let's see if we can get more. Ooh, nicer size. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Spotty. Oh, he came off. There we go. Oh, no. I did not want that to happen. I'm sorry, dude. On down. Okay. Check him out. Check him out. This guy is hungry. He's biting my hand right now. There he goes, the 6-1. Let's go, baby. Caught another one. Let me see this guy, little guy. All spotties today. Nice. Check them out, you guys. Drop them. Ooh. Sorry, dude. Another one coming up. Yeah, baby. This has been some good freaking fishing, dude. Look how much fish I'm catching right now, you guys. Can't make this up. Oh my god. Even though they're little, like, come on, dude. Who's doing it? Marina Del Rey, bro. That's all I gotta say. Bro, I can't believe how much fish I'm catching right now. I still even haven't changed my bait. Let's get them up here. Yes, dude. Yes, bro. Zoom with the 1/4 ounce. Catch a freaking spotty, dude. Had a amazing freaking day today. This is crazy. This is crazy, you guys. Check. This is my last fish. I think it's legal, you guys. You can see him right there. Oh yeah. Ooh. Damn. Is that legal? No, I'm gonna say like 13. I'm gonna say like 13, you guys. Ooh, he's bitten. Check it out. Last fish, baby. Gotta head out now. Throwing them back. Yeah, I did what I was supposed to do and more. I did double what I wanted. So I wanted 5. We ended up getting 10. Let's go, baby. Bro, I can't make this up, you guys. What the heck? I just barely threw it back in. I'm already on my way out. I'm just throwing while I'm going. And freaking... Look, dude. I came on the right day. Peace out, guy. Boom! Whoa, he almost hit the... Oh, this is for sure my last one. Oh, I caught like 12. That's crazy. That's unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable, bro. Last one, baby. 12 freaking fish. Let's go. Got my first one. He swallowed it. This guy's crazy. Nice one. Damn. Check this out. Come on, guy. This guy's crazy. Look at him. Nice one. Throwing them back. Boom. First one, baby. Let's go. Another spotty. Come up here, bud. Oh, come on. Nice. Right on the lip. Perfect. Sun's going down. Check him out. Nice one. Let's throw him back in. Boom. Big old... I like doing that. That's so funny. Oh, whoa. What is this? Hey, this is a white sea bass. That's a big white sea bass. Oh my goodness. Bro, check it out, you guys. Damn. Damn. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to get this. Oh, damn. All right, here we go. We're gonna pop them up. Hopefully it doesn't break up. Oh, shit. Oh, he came off. You guys saw it. You guys saw it. I hope you guys saw it. Oh my god, bro. Bro. Let's see what I got. Spotty. Yeah. I can't believe I lost that last fish, man. Doesn't count. It doesn't count, but made up. A little spotty made up for it. Boom, get out of here. Ah.